Hi, I'm Rex with OEM Products. Today we're going to work on the lightning and floor scraper machine. We're going to change out the gear pump belt that runs the cylinders. Tools we're going to need today are we got a 3/8 ratchet with a long extension and a 9/16 socket, 9/16 open end wrench, and a 7/16 socket, and I choose to use an impact to get the side cowling off. We're going to pull the weights off today, so let's go grab a 3/4 inch wrench or a socket. Let's pull those weights off of there so we can get easier access to everything. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to release the tension off of the main drive belt. Again, this is still tight, so we're going to remove the 4 bolts that hold this plate on. There's 1, 2, and then there's 2 more on the bottom right in here. Once we get those loosened up, we're going to take this bolt and back it out. This is the tensioner bolt. We're going to back it out and allow this plate to move forward so that it'll release the tension on the belt. So we're going to take our long extension with a 9/16 socket. We're going to put it through from the frame. We're going to loosen that bolt. We're not going to take it out. We're just going to get it loose. So we have all 4 bolts holding the plate in place. And then we're going to use our 9/16 wrench. We're going to loosen this jam nut, and we're going to remove this bolt here, back it off. And we should be able to slide that plate forward, and we can remove this belt. So in order to get the belt off, we can get this belt out of the way, take this belt off, and put a new one on. Okay, so we got the new belt. We're going to slide it over these pulleys. Make sure it's on the proper groove, which would be the one closest to the frame. Then we can slide the body that away, tighten up our bolt here. And this is actually how you determine how tight the belt is. The tighter you screw this screw in, the farther it goes in, the tighter the belt gets. It doesn't have to be extremely tight, it just has to be good and snug. Okay, that's getting pretty tight. All right, that looks good. Now let's tighten up the mounting bolts. Start here on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now we're going to put the main drive belt back on. And then we're going to engage the belt tensioner. So now we've got a new belt ready to run the hydraulic cylinders. Okay, so that's how you change a gear pump belt on a lightning floor scraper. For more videos and tutorials, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, look us up on Facebook for OEM Products Inc., or go to our website, tireremoval.com. Thanks for watching.